kami for an event and kailangan talaga namin mag-prepare for that. And yung nakikita niyo yung look namin today, kami po ang gumawa ng makeup.
So I feel like I need to refill my makeup. Kayo ba?
Ako yung powder ko.
Mascara ko din, dito yung yun. And the lipstick.
May idea ako.
What if mag-order na lang tayo online?
Kasi yung Go Plus 99,
Meron silang voucher for Lazada. Download the Globe One app, tapos pipiliin nyo yung buy app exclusives kasi nandito yung mga exclusive deals nila like the Go Plus 99. Ayan, ito yung 50% off on Lazada.
Ah, ito na naman!
Wow! Now we can order sa Lazada. Let's place the order.
2 days later.
Wow! I love this!
Oh, goodbye na!
So, it's perfect. Let's retouch na.
Yes, makeup down! Thank you so much, Go Plus 99 vouchers kasi sobrang convenient talaga nito para sa amin kasi 2-in-1 na siya.
may voucher ka na, may data ka pa!